What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a brake light switch on the Subaru. So this bad boy, when you go like that, it engages the brake lights. Well, brake lights ain't working, so I'm gonna have to hit this nut and then that nut. Like, stop focusing on my hand, and then unplug that pigtail up there, and then just swap the new one in. So we're about to get that done so I can have brake lights so I don't get pulled over in the Subaru anymore. But I'll post that in a second. And don't ask about this. It's like that when I bought the car. But yeah. Alright guys, got the replacement part. This little thing is literally what's caused me not to have brake lights. So let's see if I can get up under here and hold this thing and plug this in. Oh damn. Alright. So in theory, if I plug this in, my brake lights will be on. In which they are. And as yeah, you can see it. So as I press the button where the brake pedal sits on, light goes out, brake light's on. So basically what I just did there was press this, brake light's off, brake light on. So how it goes on is like how you saw it. It feeds through here and it's pressed up against the whole time to keep the brake off. As soon as you press the brake, it extends out, which pushes this button out and makes your brake lights work. So that's basically how you change it. So you just, oh, I shouldn't have messed with that. There we go. Let's see if this will record right. Well, right here. So if you can't see it, I'm sorry. But undo this bad boy. Then you feed it through the pedal. If you can't see it, I apologize. And then try to start this bad boy. Alright, got it started. And basically you want to adjust it to where it gets pushed in. So I clearly had to come more down because the pedal isn't pressing the button in. So I gotta go up way more. But you can do this simply with just pliers, I think. Let me see if that's working right now. Alright, I got working brake lights. I'll show you guys. Press brake down, brake up, brake down, brake up. So, I don't know if you guys saw that, but that's how you change a brake light switch. So, I just gotta tighten this all down, and then she'll be ready to roll. But yeah, that's how you change a brake light switch on a 96 Subaru Impreza. I don't know if it works for all years, but that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.